Madam, I would like to speak on several times items dealing with the various aspects operational side of the Indian Railways. Firstly, to take into consideration partition, beer, strain, load, disturbance, happen, structure of the great foresight, made, well, first thing occurs to us rolling stock because used to import large number of engines, so many other things associate with the uh, heartening see today of these things. Recently, I had to privilege visiting of these factories, especially the Chittaranjan manufacture electric engine, indicative, wonderful achievement, steam, diesel, later once Varanasi gone long way meeting demands railways sufficiently as far as other things connected with the equipment are concerned. I find Bhopal that they are also heavy electricals other day and they have very good account of themselves augur well future activities as far as the about the amenities, so many other things concerning the second class passengers have done very well. Democratic government as it is. Look, subscribe, tune. 80% revenue, installation, fans, coaches, construction, invidious, halls, about all, abolition, distinction, exit, entry, do, speak, administrative, apart from the exciting that we see is that staff who have been, have also been accorded number of facilities at some places seen student taking wholesome meals which are subsidies railway administration. These are points to draw your attention. Thoughts to these things I would like to speak matters on certain which have engaged my attention currently. I feel at this hour we have devoted our attention to saving every rupee that we can. In that context, I say construction buildings is concerned, it should be done in the same perspective stations which have been quite demolished new could have been serviceable to come. There were they were strong were given look emergency when we saved has to be given serious consideration to being notice of the Honorable Minister. Narrow gauge railway lines are concerned through of their financial, and I am not really as early as possible abolished because if you could annually could be invested converting line broad gauge even meter gauge better that would be, I understand, railway board is also serious consideration. I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister, very important factor as is the progress countries modern rationalize in a manner which may compare favorably. Advanced countries of the world much ahead of us in this connection. Research, designs, standards, organization should be given to it. So far, I can quote Japan, Britain, America has gone far. Many of the Western, those who have seen the performance Japanese will wear out feet. Amazing how the entire system gradually been more or less equipment operations manual labor employed last, whereas we have the steam locomotive.